Hello there.
We made a left turn at Greenland.
And here we are.
The National Weather Service in Tallahassee has issued an extreme wind warning for Lafayette County in Big Bend, Florida, northeastern Wakulla County in Big Bend, Florida, northwestern Dixie County in Big Bend, Florida, Taylor County in Big Bend, Florida, Jefferson County in Big Bend, Florida, eastern Leon County in Big Bend, Florida, Madison County in Big Bend, Florida, until midnight Eastern Daylight Time. At 8:59 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated extreme winds associated with the eye wall of Hurricane Helene were moving onshore 39 miles southeast of Carnival, moving north at 35 miles per hour. This is an extremely dangerous and life-threatening situation. Locations include Tallahassee, Woodville, Monticello, Mayo, Steinhatchee, St. Mark's, Harry, Madison, Horseshoe Point, Wakulla, Greenville, Lee, Horseshoe Beach, Alma, Cody, Panetta, Perry Foley Airport, San Pedro Junction, Natural Bridge, and Lake Miccosukee. Take cover now. Treat these imminent extreme winds as if a tornado was approaching and move immediately to the safe room in your shelter. Take action now to protect your life. The safest place to be during a major landfalling hurricane is in a reinforced interior room away from windows. Get under a table or other piece of sturdy furniture. Use mattresses, blankets, or pillows to cover your head and body. Remain in place through the passage of these life-threatening conditions. An extreme wind warning has been issued until midnight Eastern Daylight Time Friday for the following counties in Florida: Dixie, Jefferson, Lafayette, Leon, Madison, Taylor, and Wakulla.
Last time, would you just leave us alone?
Yeah, go play with your spinning top or marbles or something.
Fine.